What it do, YouTube? You already know who it is. It's your boy Blue. And today's video is a trade recap of the trades that I took for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. If y'all been paying close attention, I've been on a little bit of a green streak. So we're going to see if we can continue this and get some kind of consistency behind the setups that I'm taking. So if you like the content, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and give me that thumbs up. And now let's get into this video.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
So today, September the 2nd, on a Wednesday, I took two trades, profitable on both of the trades. So this was the first candle out the gate. I entered and then I added down here, waiting on a bounce. So then I added two contracts down here. It was two contracts each, so I had six contracts, and I took them all off right here. Kind of wish I took them off a little bit, waited for it to go up a little bit more, but it's cool. So then, as the market moved around, I was looking for another entry, and I ended up getting one right here, and I got two contracts. Then I added two up here, and I took them off as the market came back down, the micro E-minis. And that's all the trades I took. I was looking at it up here, but I don't like to trade after 11. But anyways, let me show y'all what I made for the day. What the heck? I ended up 110 today. So that's all the positions I took, and we'll see you tomorrow. So it is Thursday, September the 3rd, and I got two trades in. I ended up having a trade on my phone because I was at work. I know that's not what you want to do, but I wanted to test out the app anyway. So at the opening, in its first candle, I caught a trade as it pushed up, and once it came back down to the opening price, I took my two contracts off. So then on my second trade, I was looking for it to break through here and catch a trade off of it as it pulled down, which it did. And I had a price, a target sitting down here to get in for a long, and it filled me. And as it pushed back up, I took my two contracts off and I went back to work. And through all of this, I missed all of this, which, and for me, it was good because I didn't want to trade all of this anyways because it was too volatile. It dropped from 35.52 down to 34.52. So I didn't want to trade any of this anyways. But when I got in the house, it was around here somewhere, and I was looking at it down here, actually right here, and I was looking to possibly get an entry, but I didn't want to get nothing because it's too late in the day for me, so I didn't even take the trade. But it's dropped another 25 points. So those was the trades that I took for the day, and I ended up making 60 bucks. So I'm up on the week, and we can see what we can get tomorrow. Hopefully it'll be a good green day, and we'll end this week green. So it is Friday, September the 4th, and today I took a few trades out the opening. I didn't stay long, good thing, because the market just dumped out again. But my other platform kind of froze up, and it had big holes in between here. So that's why I got Think or Swim up. As you can see on this chart, there's big holes in this area. So I'm gonna look at Think or Swim, but I took a few trades off of my platform, Tradeovate. I kind of screwed up on my entries, so I'm about to go over them, or my exits. So I'm about to go over them with the platform. Overall, I still came out green on the day, but I still had problems with my execution. So Out the gate, it pushed up and I got short and I took it off down here. So I was looking for the break of this candle to see if it can get a push up towards this resistance so that I can scale in some. So I got in short two contracts on the push up, but for some reason, when I tried to enter where I wanted to exit at, it failed me two more contracts to short. So I kind of panicked and I just sold them. So I was up on this one, and this up here made me be down a little bit. Well, it took some of my profits. So I was looking at the for another trade after that, and I had a level up here that I wanted to short. So I ended up taking two contracts up here, and I did the same thing again where I was over here on the dome. I was trying to put in another entry in case it wanted to keep pushing, but it instantly failed me. And I'm guessing I was in the wrong spot on the dome or something, but I ended up with more contracts than I wanted. So I just flattened it and I was basically break even. So I said, okay, I'm going to take a few minutes and I'm going to take some time and figure out what I'm doing wrong. And so as it broke down through here, I grabbed two contracts and I went to put, well, I didn't even, it ended up filling before it got to my entry because I had the entry in and it was just sitting there. And I was looking at this candle and all of a sudden it told me my order was filled. And I was like, how did it get filled? So I had to put in another entry. I actually entered another two contracts down some and it filled it. And then once it bounced back up, I took the trade off and I ended up 32.50. So at that point, I was just like, I'm just done for the day. I'm not about to fight with it. And that's why I don't know if it was the platform acting up or stalling and everything, because it failed me before it even showed that I was filled on the candle. And then all of this started happening, this choppy stuff or these couple choppy candles, they was trying to fix the platform. So those the two trade or the few trades I took, and now it's back to work and they got it together. But I was done up here. So we got a long weekend, 3 days. Monday's Labor Day. There won't be no trading for a couple days. And for that reason, I'm going to put out a different video on Wednesday or on Tuesday, I mean. And then on Wednesday, I'm just going to put my Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday trades all in next Fridays instead of just a 1 day trade on my next Tuesdays. So those my trades that I took today. I'm green on the week, good week, green every day for the last week and a half. So I'm on a kind of on a streak. We're gonna see what we can do next week when the market open back up. See y'all then.